Precision engineering makes elegant design. This is the beauty of your home, our high-performance aluminum alloy window system. It begins with extreme precision. Our CNC machinery cuts the robust aluminum profiles to exact specifications, ensuring perfect fit every time. The components are meticulously assembled, creating an incredibly strong and durable frame structure, built to last. Once the weather seals are integrated, preparing the window for its crucial role in intrusion and weather protection. The heart of our technology, the thermal break. A special sealant is poured, creating a continuous barrier that blocks transfer and drastically improves energy efficiency. The result: a forward-outward opening casement window, engineered for effortless operation, superior security, and a perfect shield against the elements. And from the inside, enjoy fresh air without compromise. The seamlessly integrated mosquito screen slides open smoothly, keeping insects out while preserving your view. Innovating for your comfort, Hollow Point building material. Thank you for your watching.